Hi, I'm Cassie Haley. I'm here with Anne Hampson. She's a principal with ICF. Anne, could you tell me a little bit about ICF and their role in the CHP market?
Sure. Well, ICF is a consulting company. We do a lot of work for the Department of Energy and for EPA, as well as electric utilities to help them understand CHP, the impacts that it has on end users, but also on for utilities on their core business.
Okay, so what kind of economic development tools are available through ICF?
So ICF has put together a couple tools that are available through the Department of Energy and EPA's CHP partnership. So they have a spark spread estimator that users can go in and put in their energy load information, some of their electric rates, and see how CHP could work out for them.
Okay. Can you explain to us a little bit about how the tariffs affect the CHP market?
Yeah, tariffs are a big deal in evaluating CHP for an installation, especially the way that the tariffs are structured. In the U.S., a lot of the utilities have tariff structures that are very different from each other, so there's a lot of different varieties. If you have a structure that has really high demand rates and low energy rates, it makes it really difficult for CHP. So a lot of times in terms of best practices for utilities, we really promote having a more balanced rate structure that has more energy charges versus demand charges.
So give me a specific example of how this plays out.
So there was a system that was put in recently at the it was the University of Texas Medical Branch in Galveston, and they were looking at CHP and evaluating different sizes. And so because of the standby rates and the issues that go on in the tariffs, it really impacts how big of a system that you would want to put in. And so you can actually do evaluations and look at what the impact. And so sometimes it actually makes it more economic for you to put in a smaller system, even though a bigger system might be more efficient for your site. But because of the way the tariff is structured, you can go with certain sizes over others.
Well, thank you for your work with ICF and everything you do. Thanks for joining me, Anne.